Welcome to our speaker systems page. Our speaker systems work for all types of audio communications, from playing tones and pre-recorded sounds, to playing music, to making live announcements. Our IP-based speakers include Wi-Fi speakers and PoE speakers. Both systems have the capability to execute operational communications and emergency communications. We can include both indoor speakers and outdoor speakers for your campus. We can use our technology to work with your existing PA system, or if you need a new system, we can assist with that. Every school, business, or government entity has a different configuration. Some do not have any existing equipment, or their equipment is deteriorating. Others want to use their existing system, but would like to add increased functionality, like playing bell tones at a specific time. Bell tones are actually something that our systems do particularly well. The software that runs our systems is extremely user-friendly, so when you look at scheduling like bell schedules, you'll find that it's easy to create schedules, create multiple schedules, activate schedules, and change from one schedule to the next. We can create unified communications using products like Informacast software, or if your organization has an existing voice-over IP phone system, we can integrate our PA system speakers with your telephone system. Our staff's experience with a variety of communication systems enables us to craft or suggest a number of options for any budget. The first step is to reach out to us. Give us a call at 800-964-5749 or visit our website and click the Quick Quote button.